Today is December 4th, December in Wisconsin, and it's so nice out. The sun's out, it's super warm, but it's decently windy, and Mango here is doing something really cute and I want to record, so here we go. Come on, Dada, you want to come outside too? Alright, here we go. Step up! Alright. Here we go. Oh, he's ready. Oh, look at you. Oh, he loves it. Ready? We gotta wait for the wind. Once the wind picks up, I'll show you what he does. Put your wings out. Put your wings out. Woo! Are you flying? Woo! Where are you going? Woo! Oh, that's fun. Mango, put your wings out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Upside down. Oh, you don't want to be upside down. Look at his wings are still out. What a pretty bird. You're gonna fly away. Here, I'll do. I'm letting you go. Uh-oh, don't blow away. You're so crazy. You love it? Are you crazy? Everyone in the whole neighborhood can hear you. Woo! Woo! He's crazy. Careful there, that's my finger. Look at him go. Whoa, stretch that wing. Let's see what he does if I put him here, right there. Feel that wind, Mango. Are you crazy, birdie? You're crazy. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! Feel the wind under your wings? Doesn't that feel nice? Oh, here we go! Oh! You gotta hold on. You're gonna fall right off the ledge. Oh, going the other way. He said, that's too much for me. Oh, not enough, huh? Not enough. Oh, such a pretty bird. Go, Mango, go! Ride that wind. Oh. You shouldn't have turned around. The wind pushed you right over, dude. Oh, Mango, you're silly. Come here.